Hi everyone, in this video I'll be introducing TMVGate, the lightweight gateway connecting TM1, now known as Planning Analytics, to leading business intelligence tools such as PowerBI. Data analytics is the buzzword of today. In the past, companies strove to be proficient in financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Today, that is no longer the gold standard. To stay relevant and competitive, companies need to start unlocking the power of information through data analytics. If you're watching this video, you've probably experienced how tedious it may be to efficiently load data from TM1 into BI tools like PowerBI, Tableau, and Qlikview, especially if your company's data warehouse is huge. TMVGate was designed specifically for this purpose. It acts as the bridge that connects TM1, the budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting platform, to powerful business intelligence tools. But why TMVGate? Well, let's run through some of its features. Firstly, it is a very lightweight solution. TMVGate uses a high-performance extraction engine that directly extracts data from TM1. It does not take up a lot of resources and requires no additional hardware. Secondly, it is also very easy to implement. It leverages on your existing TM1 business logic and does not require you to write TI scripts. Thirdly, TMVGate maintains your cube and data hierarchy. There won't be any data flattening or data explosions. Next, it also maintains the integrity of your TM1 security infrastructure, so that all the access control measures set up in TM1 will still apply when using TMVGate. Of course, it also allows for real-time connectivity between TM1 and your BI tool, if you require that. And lastly, TMVGate uses open architecture, which allows it to connect to a whole host of BI tools and more. Now, let me run you through a quick demo to show you how easy it is to use TMVGate. Since you're looking for a gateway solution, I'm going to assume that you are vaguely familiar with TM1 and some business intelligence tools. So this is a sample TM1 server, and the data here could look similar to what your company has. For this example, I'm going to analyze our sales data using Power BI. To see what data I've got, I'll first drill down cubes, select sales cube, click on views, and maybe choose by country. And this is the data that I have. So I've got data from the different branch offices. I've got the actual versus budgeted data. And I've got the data for all of the different car models. And I've also got the common metrics like gross margin, price, units. And so now, if I want to import this data into Power BI, I would open up TMVGate. This is the interface. It's designed to be simple and easy to use, and a lot of work gets done in the backend. So there are quite a few fields, but not to worry. You'll be given a detailed user guide if you try or buy TMVGate. So very quickly, I'm going to fill up my username and password. And select my cube, sales cube, choose public view. For my cube view, I'll use by country. Right, the default dimensions are okay. I'll choose to remove all zeros. And for my format, I can choose between the standard data encryption formats. I'll choose PSV. And then all I need to do is click generate get view URL and click on copy. Okay, so I'll open up my Power BI. Click on get data, web, and I'll paste my link. Click on OK. So the data is loaded very quickly and smoothly. I click on load. And there we go. So this the data. So there's about 79,000 rows and 6 columns. So that's about 470,000 entries in a few seconds. So let's analyze the data. Let me just drag in the parameters. So let's say I choose actual and maybe sales, and I choose summation value and region, and very quickly, there we go, we have got total sales value by region, and we can also visualize this in a pie chart, right? But let's say we want to try something else, maybe summation value by model. So similarly, very easily, we have got the total sales value by the different models. And that's it. Very quick and simple demo. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or for a free TMVGate trial, visit our website or email us at info@itlink.com.sg. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we'll be having more regular content updates. Thank you.